Hello guys, my name is Thomas and today I'm going to teach you how to install Python as part of my introduction to Python course. So here we are at the Python site. This is python.org. So we go to the downloads page and you click on downloads. And as you can see, the current version is 3.7.3. So you click that. And I'm currently using Windows and I have already downloaded the Python file. So I'll click OK and wait for my download to finish downloading. Okay, so after my downloads are complete, I can just click on the installation file here in Windows and let's see. You have to select add Python 3.7 to path or 3. Whatever version you will be using at that time. What this does is it has this link, the Python to the path variables on your environment, on your Windows PC. That way you can access while you're in any folder using the command line. We'll see this how it works after we do the installation. So let's click install now after we check this out, and let's install Python. Okay, yes, I accept, and the installation keeps installing. So after the installation is done, we can click close on the setup tool, and what we'll do is open the command prompt, Windows run, type cmd, then enter, and then here you go. So type Python version. So I get version 3.7.3. If you don't get Python version, it means that your Python isn't in your path location. So what you do is you click start, you search for control panel, right? Systems, click on systems, and then you click on advanced system settings. And on your advanced system settings, click environmental variables. Now in the system variables there is an input called path here, so you edit this, click edit. Now as you can see here in path, there is a path to my Python file. It's somewhere there. Let me check. Okay, program JavaScript. Okay, there you go. There is my Python. So the path to my this is the path to my Python on my file. This means that if any input is put here, it means that you can access the file, the system or the software wherever you are on your. You don't have to change directory to the exact folder where your installation is installed. You can just find it anywhere in your system. Now next I'm going to show you how I installed pip in my system. For those of you who don't know, pip is a Python package manager. It's used to install packages in Python folders. So if you have a package that you want to install in Python so you can use in your systems, use pip. So here we go. So to install pip, you need this file. I will put this link on the description below, so you can follow this link and download this file. It's called get-pip.py. So save as. I will save this file on local disk C, but you can save it wherever in your project you want to. I'm gonna save it in local disk C because it's easy for me to access it from the command line, because you're going to need to access it from the command line. So here we go. So as you can see, it's a pip file, get/pip.py. So after you install this file, the first thing you do is you go to your command line, you change directory to where you put the file. Mine is on local disk C, so I list I list my local disk C content, and as you can see, it's somewhere here. Let's check. Let's see. Okay. G. Okay, so we can do ls get/pip.py. I cannot access the pip.py file. Let's check. Okay, so correction. I didn't install the file in get-pip in local disk C. Install it in local disk C / in a folder called Python. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to change my directory to that folder, cd.python. So C Python, but you can use whatever folder you want, and when it's time to install, you switch to that folder, to that location of the file. So if I do ls here, the file is here, get-pip.py. So what I will do is I will run this file using Python. Okay, so I will write Python and then get-pip.py, and the call will run and the installation will continue. So I'm gonna pass this video and I'll be back when pip is installed. Okay, we're back and pip is successfully installed. So I'm gonna do a pip dot version. No, I think it's double slashes. Let's try that slash there. And as you can see, pip is installed. So to install packages using pip, first of all you have to get the package name. So pip install, let's say we would like to install Django or Immutils. Let's try Immutils. So you do Immutils, right? The requirement is already satisfied. If this you get requirement already satisfied, it means that the package is already installed in your system. So we can uninstall and install it. So uninstall Immutils. Yes. Uninstall Immutils. So if you install again Immutils, okay, successfully installed. So let's try to make our first software, hello world, using Python. So open whatever text editor you prefer. I prefer using Sublime Text. Sorry, I'm having a sore throat. Okay, so here we go. All you have to do is say print hello world on installation. So I'm gonna save this, save, and I'm going to switch to the location of my project, CD, and let's see. My projects are on my desktop. In a folder called tutorials. There you go. Okay, introduction to Python. So I'm going to put that there. Click enter. ls list the directory, cd to a folder called installation. There we go. So ls, and as you can see, here is our file, the file that we saved. So what I am going to do is I am going to run this using Python. So let's go. Python installation .py. click enter, and we get an output of hello world. Okay, so you remember when we said pip is used to install packages? Let's try that. Let's try to uninstall utils from our packages, and as it's uninstalling, yes, we go back and import utils to our project. Okay, import utils, and let's see what will happen. Okay, we go to file and we save, and let's see what will happen if we try to run Python installation. There we go. And as you can see, we get an error here, module not found, module name imutil. So what we do, we go back to pip and install imutils. And after the installation is done, when we go back and run installation.py, we get hello world. So the software is running. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next tutorial, and have a good night or good afternoon or whatever. Bye.